Welcome to English for Career. Today we'll be learning common grammar mistakes and how to avoid them. Good morning. Welcome to English for Career. Today we'll be learning common grammar mistakes and how to avoid them, an essential topic for anyone looking to communicate effectively in professional settings. Let's dive right in and explore the grammar slip-ups we all make from time to time and how to fix them with ease. Topic 1. Subject-Verb agreement. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement means that the verb must match the subject in number, singular or plural. This rule ensures sentences sound natural and are grammatically correct. Mistake. Example 1, she were going to the market. Incorrect. Example 2, the team are playing well. Incorrect. Correct. Example 1, she was going to the market. She is singular, so the verb must also be singular. Correct example 2, the team is playing well. Team is treated as a singular entity here. Tip: identify the subject first. Singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Topic 2, misplaced apostrophes. What are apostrophes? Apostrophes are used to show possession, the boy's book, or contractions, it's equals it is. Misusing them can change the meaning of a sentence. Mistake. Example 1, it's raining outside. Incorrect. Example 2, the cats are playing. Incorrect. Fix. Correct example 1, it's raining outside. It means it is. Correct example 2, the cats are playing. No apostrophe is needed for plurals. Tip: before using an apostrophe, check if it's for possession, the dog's toy, or a contraction, it's equals it is. Avoid adding them to plural nouns. Topic 3. Incorrect use of homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings, like there, and there. Mistake. Example 1, they're going to the park. Example 2, I can't bear this anymore. Fix. Correct example 1, they're going to the park. There equals they are. Correct example 2, I can't bear this anymore. Bear equals tolerate. Tip: memorize commonly confused homophones to avoid misusing them. Thank you for joining today's session on common grammar mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, clear communication is key to professional success, and mastering grammar will take you one step closer to achieving that. See you soon.